The silence is finally over. 4 years, the most powerful all-in-one computer in history was left for dead. Discontinued. Replaced by studio displays and tiny boxes. But in the shadows of Cupertino, Apple was building something that shouldn't exist. A machine so powerful, so visually stunning, and so technologically advanced that it makes the current lineup look like toys. This is the all-new Apple iMac Pro. We aren't talking about a color refresh. We aren't talking about a bigger screen. We are talking about the rebirth of a legend. A 32-inch 6K mini-LED powerhouse that houses the most aggressive silicon ever put into a consumer machine. But why now? Why bring back the Pro name to the desktop when the Mac Studio is already winning? Because Apple is about to change the rules of professional work forever, and by the end of this deep dive, you'll realize that the computer on your desk right now just became a dinosaur. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Close your eyes and imagine a single sheet of glass floating above your desk. That is the design language of the new iMac Pro. It's finished in a deep, menacing space black that absorbs light, making the massive 32-inch display feel like it's bleeding into the room. This isn't just a monitor, it's a portal. With 1,600 nits of peak brightness and 2,000 local dimming zones, this is the Pro Display XDR, but better. The blacks are so deep you'll lose your cursor in them, and the colors are so vibrant they feel three-dimensional. For the colorist in Hollywood, the architect in New York, or the developer in Silicon Valley, this is the canvas you've been dreaming of. But the beauty is just a mask for the violence happening underneath the hood. Inside this impossibly thin chassis lies the M4 Ultra. Two M4 Max chips fused together by a bridge that moves data faster than the human mind can process. We are talking about a 32-core CPU and an 80-core GPU. This isn't a computer for checking emails or scrolling through Twitter. This is a machine built for the impossible. It's for rendering 8K raw footage in real time while running a neural network in the background. It's for the scientist simulating the birth of a galaxy and the musician composing a 500-track orchestral masterpiece without a single stutter. Apple has re-engineered the entire thermal system, using a dual vapor chamber design that pulls heat away so efficiently that even under maximum load, the machine remains whisper quiet. You'll hear your own heartbeat before you hear the fans. But here is the question that everyone is asking. Is this just a Mac Studio glued to a monitor? No. It's much more than that. The iMac Pro introduces Unified Workspace. Through the new Apple Intelligence 5.0, the computer actually tracks your eye movement and hand gestures. It knows which window you're looking at and prioritizes resources to that specific task instantly. It's a level of hardware and software integration that you can only get when the entire system is built as one single unit. There are no cables cluttering your desk. No external power bricks. Just one woven power cable and a world of infinite possibility. Let's talk about the Pro Audio. Most built-in speakers are an afterthought. But on the iMac Pro, Apple has implemented a 6-speaker array with force-canceling woofers that literally shake the air around you. It produces a soundstage so wide and deep that you'll find yourself looking behind you to see where the sound is coming from. It's cinema-grade audio in a desktop frame. And for the first time,